friends, in last lecture we have to see the what is transformer. So you know that of the what is the use of transformer. Transformer used in electrical source converted into mechanical source. So now in this transformer we have to see that the mutual induction process will be generated according to law of Faraday's. So in this transformer we have to see how can be primary coil to secondary coil, how can be transformer transfers the working will be do. So now today's lecture we have to start the what is its types. Transformer types. Transformers type. There are two types of transformer. First is step up transformer. Step up transformer. And second is step down transformer. There are two types of transformers often used to develop the electronical applications. So first I tell you about the step up transformer. What is meant by step up transformer? The step up transformer is a types of transformer that can be converts the low voltage and high current in the form of primary side. So in this transformer we have to get the high voltage and low voltage in the form of the high voltage and low voltage value can be generated in the secondary side. So secondary side of transformer will be generated. So that will be generated the reversing processes of the form. That reversing processes is called step down transformer. So in this case we have to tell you about according to that of diagram we have to see how can the step up transformer work. See, this will be the coil will be generated in this side and this will be the iron core. And secondly, we have to do the turns, having the number of turns from primary winding. See, we have to get this side number of turns. We have to get the primary winding. Primary winding, and this side is known as the primary winding. Also the primary winding. So this will be having having more than primary winding. This will be as compared to primary winding. This secondary side we have to get the more primary winding as comparatively primary windings first side to secondary side we have to get the number of winding will be present in that core. So this will be the this will be connected on form of primary winding. More formation will be do as compared to primary side. So in this way the step up transformer is can be converted low voltage into and high current in the form of primary voltage. So that in the primary side will be to conform in the prime transformer of secondary side at that of the transformer. That will be the reversing form of process will be generated. So that reversing process form that called as secondary step down transformer. So next we have to study the step down transformer. In this step down transformer, we have to get the this will be side will be changed. See, we have to get the iron core will be present inside the box iron core. So in this step down transformer, we have to see the opposite reaction will be takes place. This side will be applied current. See, that will be the side will be applied current will be generated. Applied alternating current. And this will be the primary winding. It shows that the primary winding. So secondary form we have the less turns of coil. Having less turns of coil. This will be present inside the diagram. So that will be the less turns of primary winding, and this will be the secondary winding. Secondary winding side we get the having less number of turns. So these two differences are created in this step up transformer and step down transformer. In this secondary step down transformer, that type of transformer is a transformer that converts high voltage and low current in the form of primary side. High voltage and low current will be converted in the primary side of transformer. That will be the reversing process is known as the step up transformer. In this way, we have to conclude that how to working will be done from step up and step down transformer. In this way, we have to working do these two types of transformer. These reversing processes will be generated from primary winding to secondary winding side. In this way, we can be working we can prove that these two transformer how to work will be produces. So, thank you.